Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding. Hey y'all, I know I ain't been posting any videos, but y'all, I made breakfast for me and my boyfriend. So if you want to know how I made this food, and it was really, really good, just keep watching the video. Let's go. Okay, y'all, I actually followed directions on the rice. Yeah, see right there where it says rice, 1 cup. You need 2 cups of water. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. I did the video wrong when I washed my rice, but I washed my rice. Like, I put it in there and I wait for the water to get clear. So yeah, I put my 2 cups of rice in water in my cup after I washed it. Put it in my pan. And now we need 2 cups of water. Make sure you get a cup of rice because it's just me and my boyfriend. We don't need that much. All right, we're going to get the 2 cups of water. I don't know why I wasn't talking when I was doing this video, but hey, voiceover it is, huh? My voice sounds horrible. You can't see it, but it's 2 cups of water. It may not look like it, but it's 2 cups of water. It's just the way I'm holding the cup. Anyways, you go on and pour your 2 cups of water in here. What did I do? Oh, I forgot to turn the stove on, y'all. Y'all gonna see that in a minute. I don't know why the water wasn't already boiling, but don't do what I do. You know, you gotta add a little salt in there. This is the type of salt I use. I guess it doesn't matter what type of salt you use. Look at you wasting stuff. Now go clean it up. All right, y'all, look at my bacon. It looks so good. Just sizzling in there. I love bacon. I want to be a bacon. I'm going to be a bacon one day. Yeah. Anyways, we're going to close this up right quick because I don't know why these videos are so long, but just enjoy my bacon. Yeah, here's where I told you I forgot to turn the stove on. And I thought my rice had started cooking, but it had not. Look at it just sitting there, staying still. I really don't know why these videos are long for real. Anyways, y'all, I took my bacon out the stove and it was really, really crispy. And I don't think he liked crispy bacon, so what we gonna do is put him some in the stove. Yeah. These are for me. Looks good, don't it? I know. I'm trying to learn how to cook. But breakfast is the easiest thing to cook. So, yeah. Right here, I was deciding on should I put this plate on the stove because will it crack? Will it not? I don't know. I'm just learning. I can cook a little. Y'all see my rice just up here boiling, getting hot? Yeah, it's gonna be good. Yeah, I'm gonna just put him 2 extra pieces in there and not make it as crispy, but he's still gonna get 2 of those crispy bacons. He's just gonna have to deal with it. Anyways, we turned the stove down and I put the top on my pot because that's how you cook it, and you just leave it alone for like 20 minutes. Yes, I had to taste test my bacon. It was good. Crispy. Every time we go to the Waffle House, he always eating like the toast. So I don't have a toaster. So I just decided to put it in the stove. It was good. It was good. We added a little jelly to it. Alrighty, y'all, it's time to cook the eggs. I love eggs. Anyways, usually I put butter in my eggs, but I don't know why. It's just the oil was the closest thing to me. I use olive oil. By great value, too. Anyways, we're going to let that get hot. So, let's go and make our eggs. You guys, I put 4 eggs for us. Because like I said, it's just me and him. And I don't think he's too much of a breakfast person. Me neither. But, hey, sometimes we like breakfast. I'm only doing 4 eggs. I don't know if I said that or not, but hey, I guess I'm going to say it again. Alrighty, after we got all our eggs in, we're going to throw a little salt and pepper in there. No, I don't over-season my eggs. Do you over-season your eggs? Yeah, here I don't know what I had it on, but I put way too much pepper in there. Guess what? It's in there and it's going to stay in there now. Yep, it's in there and it's going to stay. Stir, 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 stir. Yeah. And guess what's the best part? Cheese! Yeah, I was gonna add the cheese to like here. But I'm gonna just add the cheese to the skillet. Anyways, I just add a dash of milk. Just a dash. Not too much. Just enough. Just add you a little milk. And stir, 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 stir. Y'all see my yogurt covered pretzels in the back? They're so good. They didn't last long. But anyways, all right, y'all know you have to put a little dab in there to test it out to see was it hot. And it was hot. Yeah. Okay, let's add our cheese. Y'all, I love cheesy eggs. I only put 2 in there because it's gonna taste cheesy. So let's cook those eggs. Let's cook those eggs. Let's cook those eggs. Let's cook. And she's almost done. Do y'all like y'all eggs hard? Like, how long do y'all cook y'all eggs? I just stop when I think it feels right. Look at me wasting eggs. Stop wasting food, girl. We're going to clean that up later. I don't know why right here. I turned the stove off already, but I don't know why right here I'm not doing anything. I must be getting a plate for the food because why are you just watching some eggs? Hey, it makes my video longer, so we're going to take that. It was longer than this, but I sped it up just a little. The eggs look really, really yummy. And it don't taste like it had all that pepper in there. Time to plate. Y'all know the guy's plate. I had to plate my boyfriend plates first. Mine's looked nothing like this. Just FYI. Had to get him some rice first. Alrighty, finna go in with some eggs. You know you gotta plate the guy's plate pretty. The eggs was really tasty. It was really, really tasty. Yeah, my toast came out really pretty, didn't it? I did that. We added a little jelly to it. It was so good.
Are we clear?
Look at the crispy bacon. I gave him 2 crispy bacons and 2 regular bacons. But y'all can't tell me this don't look good. It looks so good. We had a Fanta. I think he had a Fanta orange, and I had a Fanta pineapple with mine. But thanks for watching. If you want to watch more cooking videos, just subscribe.